What's up guys, KG, RoughToBeBuffTV, back with another exercise tutorial today. We are looking at reverse band push-ups. The whole idea of the reverse band push-up is to deload and offload some body weight so we can work on getting more depth to the push-up. Giselle is doing a perfect job here. Thickness of the band does matter. You gotta make sure that you're finding the right band. All you gotta do is loop it up to a pull-up bar. And I like, a good rule of thumb is not to go all the way to failure, maybe stop 2 or 3 reps in the tank. And this is definitely going to increase your upper body strength. If you are struggling with push-ups, this is the best option. Reverse band push-ups. Make sure you guys are scaling it right with the right band. KG, RoughToBeBuffTV. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.